Is gold preparing for a massive breakout toward the 5,000 mark, or are we about to witness a deep institutional correction? Looking at the XAUUSD 1H chart, the market is currently at a very intense and critical stage. After a powerful bullish expansion starting from the 4,500 level all the way up to 4,850, gold has finally entered a complex distribution phase. We've seen multiple breaks of structure confirming buyer dominance over the last few weeks, but right now, the price action is trapped within a tight range. Let's analyze the key zones. We have a heavy supply zone established between 4,825 and 4,850. This specific area has shown multiple aggressive rejections, and there is significant buy-side liquidity resting just above these recent highs. On the downside, our immediate demand is holding firm between 4,780 and 4,800. This is the ultimate line in the sand for the bulls to maintain control of the current trend. Here are the two primary scenarios you must watch. First, the bullish scenario. If gold can maintain its footing and consolidate above the 4,780 demand zone, we are likely looking at a massive breakout. If we clear the 4,850 resistance with momentum, the next major targets are 4,900 and 4,950. This would be a classic trend continuation move. However, stay alert for the bearish scenario. A clean break below 4,780 shifts the short-term structure to bearish. If this happens, expect a deeper pullback into the mid-demand at 4,725, or even the major institutional demand zone between 4,625 and 4,650. Please watch the full video for details. Currently, we are in a no-trade zone. Smart money often creates a fake breakout to trap retail traders before the real move begins. Wait for a clear reaction at the 4,780 demand or a confirmed breakout. Make sure to follow us as the next analysis is coming very soon.